Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. It's weekend, guys. It's weekend, and the last week it's been hectic, but that's how the market actually do its stuff. So let's start with the economic news. Okay. Yesterday, Springboks was playing against, or let me just say, South Africa against England. We went through with only 1 point. That's great, guys. So yeah, actually we'll be going to the finals with New Zealand. Okay, so now let's go actually straight to our economic news. We have to know what are we going to have this week. So we have to plan before. So let's see. Monday we don't really have any economic news. It's fine. Let's see. Tuesday it's like seriously crazy. Just look at this economic events. It's like it's for GBP, Europe, Australia, and US. Actually, so but mostly it's PMIs, manufacturing PMI. So this actually on Wednesday the market will just go crazy. So around that time, actually it's the whole day, because from 8, 9, 10, and quarter to 4 the market will be this news will be released around those times. Then it's fine. They're not really aggressive that much, but we will see some moves actually on gold. Wednesday we see CPI. This one actually moves on AUD. I think I'll have to wake up early and try to trace this. During the day we have interest rates from Canada, and Chair Powell will speak around 10:35. Okay, obviously the market will be closed around that time. So actually we're going to focus on Canada on Wednesday. So from there, we can see that Thursday we have interest rates from Europe. This is also going to be good. The market doesn't really go crazy on Europe interest rates, but we'll have to check that. What we're going to see check also, it's actually unemployment claims or jobless claims. Then when we fast forward Friday, we have PCE. This is also going to be very good. And revised consumer sentiment, nope, I don't really know much about that. So yeah, we actually have some serious economic news, and I can say that is actually the end of this month actually. So yeah, and before we continue straight to the charts, let me show you my services. It's Sunday, guys. It's Sunday. So if you still remember, I said actually we have a mentorship which we're going to start from Wednesday. The price is actually 148. Then I actually smashed that price there. I smashed that price and say, you know what, you can join for $28. You still get the same services, mentorship. So if you are interested with this mentorship for $28, it's actually a special. Then that price is gonna go back to normal actually. So if your people join, not actually this 200, if your people join, let's say maybe 20, then we will be going back to our 148, because I don't really want to teach like 100 people. Small number, it's way easier to manage than bigger number. So $28 if you want to be part of the mentorship, if you want to learn, if you want to create your own signals, and yeah, just to do everything by your own without actually relying on anyone, even myself. So if you are you are interested, you can just scan that QR code, WhatsApp QR code, then you will be done. On the signal side, I think this one is quite straightforward. You can see there, it's monthly, 6 months, 12 months, and lifetime. So you will choose which one you want. So anyways, yes, let me go on the charts now and see what's really happening. So I think there's people who say, Kenzo, you just showing us your thing. Yeah, even banks show you their things. They always advertise the thing because we're working, and it's work, guys. We have to teach people, and we can't teach people for free, right? As you can even see that we do the analysis for free. Actually, you can still learn from this. Anyways, let's see what's really happening on DXY. We can easily see that yes, the market is still actually pushing to the upside. But what we're seeing here is now the market is consolidating. I think you still remember I did talk about this consolidation. But what I know is one way or another, the market might end up pushing to the upside. The market might end up pushing to the upside. So what I see here is, I think it's quite straightforward. We can easily see that yes, even though the market is actually consolidating there, we can easily see that the market is doing what? The market is on this uptrend. I'm still expecting the market to do what? To push to the upside. I'm expecting the market to push the upside. So which means if DXY or dollar index is pushing up, expect other pairs which are against the dollar to suffer, because this is actually mean that the dollar is getting stronger. But we know why. Inflation is still pushing up, interest rates are still pushing up, so there's so many factors actually. So let's push to the next one, which is actually GBPJPY. Please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what I see here is we are actually on a downtrend. I think you can see this. We are actually on a very nice downtrend, but where we are, the market is now doing what? The market is just consolidating. But I like that because we are very closer to the resistance. So what we can do here there is we can able to have a very nice sell, but not forgetting that we also have a counter support along the way. You can see that we have a support here, but this is not really that aggressively strong. The market can break that easily, but yes, at the moment the market is respecting this area. But what I like is we know very well that we are actually doing what? We are actually going down. We are actually on a downtrend. So which means even though the market is doing its thing, we expect the market to do what? To actually push lower, and we call that downtrending. So on Monday, maybe we'll see some sort of reversal. Mostly on Mondays, you will see the market trying to retest. Then Tuesday, the market might start to move very nice. That's why on Mondays I just like to do the analysis only. So let's see what's really happening on GBPUSD. Very nice structure there. You can see that we are actually having this downtrend. It was touching this area several times, and we also see another touch here. What we see is the market has been selling, and we saw some aggressive sells. So what I can do is to try to zoom a little bit and see what's really happening. When we zoom, we can easily see that where we are, as we are actually on a downtrend, we can actually sell. We have a very nice support there. On top, we also have something like that. I can say the market is quite moving, quite similar to actually GBPJPY. So I'm expecting the market to reach the resistance before I look for a sell, or the market has to break this support. Unfortunately, we have another support which is very closer. So it means if the market breaks this area, this support, we're not going to sell because we have another support very quick. So there is a chance for the market to do what? To respect this area. Boom, something like that. So that's why we can't sell here. So what we can do is we can wait for the market to break this support, then we can say we can continue selling, or the market has to come around this resistance before we look for a sell. Maybe the market might find another strength, maybe to break that resistance. Then we can say, okay, maybe the market is changing the trend. But besides that, we are still actually on a very nice downtrend. So which means we are looking for sell positions. So now we are actually on a Euro USD. What's really happening? Yes, the market has been pushing down very nice, and where we are, we expect to see the market pushing lower. Every time the market touched this area, we see the market pushing even lower. Around this area also, if I can mark this area, let me just mark that professionally. This point, let me start there. And this one is here. Don't you see? I hope you see that. You can see this level is actually something. You see that? So that is actually another zone that we can say, yeah, that can be our resistance, and the market is actually playing around that area. So we can actually have confidence and say, you see this area, it's something. There we might have something. So if, as we can see, the market is trying to break that, let's say if the market breaks, this diagonal resistance, the market also has to break this horizontal resistance before we look for a buy. So if not, it means that we will be expecting the market to respect this resistance. Then we will see a very nice sell. Sometimes the market is very stubborn. The market can just play around this area, then end up going down. Sometimes you can even get out, because if you check here, the market was just playing around this area. It wasn't going down that aggressively. But after, you might find the market even lower. I think if you checked our economic calendar, which is actually on Thursday, yeah, it's far. I think you can see that they're not going to increase the rates. And if they don't really increase the rates, most likely that pair loses that strength. And most likely we're going to see the dollar gaining another momentum. But I think Thursday is very far. Maybe we'll get another move before. But we will see. We will see. But I'm still actually on a downtrend, looking for a very nice, actually very, very nice sell. So now we are actually on gold. What's really happening on gold? Let's see. The market is been pushing to the lowest side for quite some time. We can maybe try to draw something like this. Okay, sorry. Let me draw with a proper line. We had that, and I had to remove that. You can see that. So we had something like this. Then the market actually broke out of that. The market actually broke out of this area. Here I can honestly say, you know what? I actually missed it. Then I was waiting for a nice reversal, but the market did not really do that. The market just kept pushing. But where we are, we also have another area that we can consider a resistance. But what I can do is, I'm just going to relax and see, because I thought the market broke out of that area that I called a resistance, and the market is trying to reverse, but our entry was a bit higher. So we will see. We will see if maybe the market will continue, or maybe the market will go back. If it goes back, if the market is going to go back, I'm expecting to see maybe a retest. I'm expecting to see maybe the market reaching this area again, and before maybe pushing up. Maybe we might have something like that. This area now, it's our resistance. If it breaks, we will see that, and then we can continue buying again. If not, maybe the market will just play around. We will be watching. So from Monday, Tuesday, we will be watching what's really happening on gold. But it's been difficult for us just to jump on the market like that. The market was seriously aggressive, but the structures were not that obvious. You see, the structures, they were not obvious, but I'm expecting the market to create some structures for us that we can connect very nice before we jump on that buy. So let's push to the next one, which is actually US30. What's really happening on US30? I hope my people did smash this one. So let me show you. We actually send signal like this. You can see here, this is how we send the signal. You can see we had a buy on gold, we have a sell on Nasdaq. This is how we send the signal. You can see I also sent this screenshot on for US30 about that sell. So I'm expecting my people to be smashing. We can see that we are actually 146 members. So yeah, I'm expecting 200 members maybe by the end of the year. Let's join, guys. Let's join. I showed you the code to join, and we have a very nice affordable special that you can join. You see, from $250 to $99, that you can't get that anywhere, or from $150 to $79, you can't get that anywhere. So anyways, let's go straight to US30 and see what's really happening. So the structure, I think, is quite straightforward. We've been having this resistance, and the market was touching our resistance very nice, and we saw that, okay, we are actually going to look for a sell for quite some time. Yes, sometimes the market might confuse us here and there, but what we know is we are actually on a downtrend. What I'm seeing here is you can see that the market is doing what? Is continuing with that structure. Along the way, we had this area as a resistance. Before it was a support, resistant. Then the market came back, respected that area. Even the last time the market did respect. But boom, the market did actually start to do what? To break this area of support. You can call it a support or a resistance. After that, I saw that the market was going down. I sent a signal, a sell signal. I hope my people are eating in the group. I hope you are eating. So yeah, maybe tomorrow the market will be here. If they did not really close, I think I did not really take US30. I took Nasdaq. So yeah, that's what we see here. But the reason behind that is quite straightforward. The market broke out of this support, then we continued pushing the lower side. But my lowest side here, I think things might change actually. My lowest side is this support area because the market actually respected that area before. As we are on a downtrend, I understand that I'm expecting the market to push even lower, but I think we might see the market respecting this support and bouncing back. Whether it's going to come back around this resistance or maybe breaking out, but I'm just expecting it to touch this area before bouncing back. If not, it means we're going to see aggressive sell. We're going to see the market continuing selling. But as we are actually, as we can see the downtrend, it means we will continue doing what? Also selling. I hope you see that. Please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, guys. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Now we are actually on Nasdaq. I've been preaching about this downtrend. You saw it. The market has been creating some very nice higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now the market is creating a higher low. So I am not higher low, sorry man. Lower high, lower low, because this is a downtrend. So that sometimes confuses, but the terms they don't really matter as long as you understand the market, that it's everything. So if you still remember, I was talking about the market was around this area, talking that the market will be going back around this area. So I think on Nasdaq the market is very closer, and we did smash that. The signal was sent. I hope my people did take that. So you can see we are actually halfway to our TP. Let's hope that the market is going to reach there, but be extra careful, guys. You see this area where the market is, I think the market is very close. So I think my support is also a bit lower. Let me clear that. I think this support is a bit lower. Yes, it's supposed to be here. So I'm expecting the market to respect this point, and maybe we might see another bounce back. That's what I see, because yes, we've been selling for quite some time. Maybe if the market keeps breaking that, it means yeah, the market will be bleeding, so I will be expecting to continue selling also. But what I like is, yes, we did actually eat very nice on Friday. So again, guys, for those who want to be part of the team, you can scan the code on your WhatsApp and then you can join the team. So these are the packages for our signals. So you can see there is $10 monthly, there is $39 6 months, 12 months $79, or lifetime. I think lifetime it's actually a bargain because you just pay once. Then within a week, most likely, most people will be recovered. They will recover this $99. So actually, you can recover everything here. So if you want to learn self-discipline, risk management, trading psychology, risk entries, stop losses, all those things, or just to gain confidence. If you've been in the market, you know yourself, maybe you've been not been profitable that much, you know yourself. So if you want to learn, you can't get this anywhere. So we taking this $48 to $28. So this is limited, guys. It's limited actually to 20 people. I think I said 20 or 10 people, it's fine. 20 people is fine. Then after that we can start. Actually, we started on Wednesday, so we still have your spot $28. Then let me know. You can scan the code and let me know and be part of the team. It's good to learn, guys. It's good to learn because you're not actually going to wait for my signal or wait for any update. You can do that by yourself. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Thank you very much. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Bye.